Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the Christmas Crafts collab with Sandi. So we are both collabing and we are going to be sharing with you Christmas crafts. This is a giveaway video. So both of us are having a giveaway on each of our videos. So in order for you to be eligible to win our giveaways, you must be a subscriber, of course, to both of our channels. Comment on both of our videos. Likes are appreciative and you must be 18 years or older. I'm going to be giving away a $25 gift card to either scrapbook.com or to Tonic Studios. I'm not sure if Tonic Studios does gift cards, but if not, it'll be to scrapbook.com because those are the two online craft stores that I've been shopping from a lot lately. So that's the reason why I chose those two online stores. So for my project, I decided to alter a few gift bags, and I thought that putting my own touch to them would be really nice to the person that I'm giving this to. You know, it's like cute little packaging and it's really pretty. So of course, I had to use my polka doodle images because if you know me, I love you guys. I love polka doodles, and I'm not saying it just because I'm part of their DT. I'm saying it because I absolutely love polka doodles. I love their images, and my favorite character is Winnie. I think she is just adorable. And I chose, now this is an older collection, but it is available, of course. It's called Winnie Winterland. And if you were to purchase the Big Kahuna, it comes with images, papers, embellishments, sentiments, toppers. It comes with design sheets. It's a lot of stuff. Trust me, it's so much stuff. You can create so many projects with it. I mean, it's endless. So I'm just sharing here just a few images. So before I even started with my project, I kind of knew what I wanted to make, but I didn't make it. So I did make these. Now I made these using the Silhouette program. So everything that you see here is from Polka Doodles. So this is part of their paper collection, and you can see that one too. And then on top, I added the beautiful images. Look how adorable they are, you guys. So I didn't end up using these, like I said. And then now these are some of the toppers. So that already come in the collection, but I didn't use that. I just brought it out just to show it to you. And this is what I did. So I made a circle and then I added the background paper, as you can see, to each one. So, you know, just to use up the different designs that the collection comes with. And then I insert a different image into each circle. And then I use my 2.5-inch punch and cut it out. And then I did some layering. So let me go ahead and show you the first one. So this is just a standard gift bag that you can pretty much get anywhere. These, I believe, are from Michael's, but you can also get them from Dollar Tree. I believe they come like in 3 in a pack for $1. And then, so I started off with the background. So what I did was I did kind of like some patchwork. I wanted to use up my scraps, so that's how I used up my scraps. What I did was I made embellishments. So that's what I made. So this whole thing was one embellishment, and then I just adhered it onto the gift bag. So you can see that the first layer is a doily and then has 2 snowflakes. These snowflakes, you can pretty much get them anywhere. And then this die right here is a die that I got from, it is by Sizzix, and this one is called Party Fans, as you can see right there. And I used the smallest one, cut it out 3 times, and it made that rosette right there. And then I added that cute image, super cute. And then just added some flowers. And then this bow, which I got from Target. And so they're all pretty much the same. It's just that the background piece is a little bit different. So this one is going up and down. This one is going at an angle, diagonal. And here is another image from Polka Doodles. I think she's so cute, that little elf. Now these flowers are from, the white ones are from Dollar Tree, and then the leaves and the poinsettias are from Hobby Lobby. And then here is a third one, and you can see that I tried to do the background pages all different. Just, you know, make them a little bit different, not all the same. But everything else is the same. And it is, because of the rosette, it makes it pretty bulky. But I love it. I love the way how that stands out a lot. And again, these flowers are from Dollar Tree, and then the poinsettias and the leaves are from Hobby Lobby. This is the only one that I actually added tinsel to the top. The tinsel is from Spellbinders. This one right here, it's called Vintage Tinsel. And that's what that looks like, you guys. So here are my 3 altered gift bags. I think they're so cute, you guys. And like I said, this started off as a big embellishment, and then I ended up adding it onto these bags because originally my original thought with these embellishments was to make a card. So I think I'm going to do that. I'm going to make like a 6x6 card, or maybe just an easel card, and add this embellishment to a card. So maybe I'll make the embellishments on camera and show you how I made them. So that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check out Sandi's video, check out her project, and don't forget to comment on both of our videos. I hope you all are having an amazing day and happy holidays. Bye everyone.